Hi Birds Nest girls, Sandy here again with another nest picks, and today I'm going to show you the cotton button-up dress from Natural for Birds. So the thing I love most about this dress is that it is a 3/4 sleeve. It's a beautiful natural fibre. It feels fantastic on your body. It's a crisp cotton, cool in summer. So perfect for those warm days, and it can be worn so many different ways. You can wear it as a duster or a dress, or you can wear it as a shift. So I'm going to show you 3 different ways to wear it now.